Captain Smart, back here. Kevin Taylor, back here. I was away. Hey, if you talk, what I say before cross your video, no, but two for say, hey, Tinasi, Gigi them. What I say, Tinasi, cannot also, Gigi them. Oh, yeah, Pepumako could be cracked, not training, relax it. They enjoy this video with a few talk. You borrow the camp of NDC. AJB, I start or once at Erica or Muti Ebomo. Kevin Taylor, any NDC talkers, I bet clash with Captain Kojo Smart. I find smart captain so I can find Mahama memo in 8 months. I say, well, be rating Mahama's 8 months in office and Captain see there nothing they move on. Let's more kind no. Kevin Taylor anyone you NDC for. I bet clash with Captain. Hey, Captain Smart, obey number. Is here there is supposed to be Captain Smart about or you still be journalist. Is here there? NDC was a Captain Smart. Hey, John down man. We still be journalist. Hey, we are the life. I have Penyah block media. Best was any demo. Over like if video know that I'm about subscribe button, so like click the notification and comment latest updates. I'm better watch their mama. I will comment. That's my so baswa. No one share for any be. Me say me twemo. Na me come back. Oh, me twem. Say Obake. Me call Obake Republic. It be ba. And because for any from headquarters. I say as much say ye twa obi achi na what team say I don't want you to say. Come in kotie. Because it was a Captain Kojo Smart. And edina omo bodwa. And edina train fifi. Nina they say Captain Smart akwa kase 8 months in office nothing they move $1 na above from eno kwa na artificial AI dollar eno kwa na above from nothing they move. The youth are getting fed up.
The truth of the matter is that they are meeting with from where be the PMA wono and one na me that with from ho
akomesa so be site
adwuma eni ho NDC fo na nkasa ye mo party fo na wo mo no mo ko nakra na as a John Mahama, 8 months. Obi say 8 months no eswa because John Mahama my 2012 from January to August. Say MPP dana do ne ba me na de call court boso me wotwe a ko betuma ye niama pa ba mu delay amembo nu. What it means is that as some John Mahama can will translate into a na. What it means is that it means the papa. But apart from that dollar call from by 10 cities, they say 1044. No, what next?
Hey, to Mahama answer here. I said when Captain Smart Emma even gonna he gave reference to what happened in 2012. After say 12 na ekufa there be Mahama wiem na Mahama ran into the court. I don't know a delay for 8 months na. Mahama say enye say go for the ethnic court 8 months and that 8 months na wait no. En ko beti dey bibi. Oh, en ko dey say sanka na complete. But go for waste the time. Enu mo na kaza gas 8 months we ni there. Bibi an waste with time. Yen fa on court. Bibi anya hwe. It na 8 months we no. Nothing they move. Ye wo hwe and Captain Smart kind of many than yardin. If you say, or Captain Mahama in 8 months, you try up and I baby. After all, 8 months in office, hey, solar tuna calba, and to quite a to Kakuma, Nina Mahaman's. What does it? Never money be anon. You know what you 8 months in office. Solar tuna calba and to quite a cosia, and you chrome gonja for over 140, Nipa 140, Mahama chrome gonja for Nipa 140 nature. Oh, my, what does it? 8 months in office, helicopter take off for many pay. What I say? 8 months in office, na 8 months na candidate, na Mahama candidate, Ebia. What I say? Now, if I say more, Captain Smart say, the youth are getting fed up. They say they are losing interest in NDC as a party. They are losing interest in Mahama. Any other day, no Anna, Kevin Taylor, any NDC talkers, I bet clash with Captain. But we say Captain Smart. Say oh yes, stomach gin. You need to say oh yeah, and football. Oh, the Captain Smart oh yeah, and football. One man of food in a new set you need no food in a new football. There be a Diano and war.
Captain Smart, youth bank, and the Becca will say they are getting fed up with the NDC administration. Youth bank, what's a can who be more? What's a can who be? What's a disc if MPP for no? What's a person started jandam? They are here Wadum FM no. Say Mahama, I to dine with Dubai. I win nya support biano. Osa ba can who be more. You to be no car hitro. What's not them no boots mupo. And our person start teaching them. For si kana come on catch almost a jumana yeding own to me nye. And save your reputation. And then when you recently, Anna Malik Basintali commissioned 5,000 youth for police assistantship. Again, 5,000 youth for fire service assistantship. Recently, how many youth? 10,000. The youth benefit him, and the catcher will say they are getting fed up with the NDC administration. And the petrol motor na him. Captain. Now, Mr. Kongo tells you age any document to win the case against a Dubois. Captain Sman Bibisa, who ye lawyer, who ye judge, who school now who call you impuna, if na who could do ye. Do you have a degree? Do you know what it takes for documents to be sent to the court to win a case? Do you know what it entails? And then I'm not one more person who bought in foot to Ghana for Nisosa. We were law school da. Do you know how to defend a case? Do you know how to present documents to the court? Who names that you are here trying to tell Ghana say the AG has no document. Captain Smart, Jandam, you good da. Share say FM now what is no. Onya FM so muntu we ya ko page ma fofo na ye. That's the kind of different political parties for no. They jai. They cannot cry. Snake.
What's your maya to say aboa dwane? En fifretem so minwi ni bi ntinto. Abusia fo minwi an Ghana fo ba. Share video no ka check Captain Smart say Captain Smart. Enya wonko na ote Ghana ha wo ye nyansani. Captain Smart. Enya wonko na ote Ghana ha. Uhu ade papa. Woka. Enya wonko so na ote Ghana ha. Uhu ade bone ya woka. Dabi. And because of social media ninti. Ghana phone obia me kosi apostle Ghana phone me pa Captain Smart John Mahama 8 months amamwe work John Mahama nya den Captain Smart oh ya dana kokko wo didi we are not the one who tutu fam 2027 o se de ni besi Captain Smart de ni besi de na ehu enwanwa ku ban ni besi e besi wo nua TV ho Captain Smart wo ye hwehwele ni mu papa wo ye hwehwe ni mu ye mambofo Captain Smart wo nya ni papa wo tin say why you ho kankan kuro do dan e so wonu nko anu kai wo yi firi wonu ma ne wo yira firi Captain Smart e da katere maso anu te ne de e sa firi katere maso wo nte de e da katere maso anu wo kai e sa firi katere maso Captain Smart wo nkai ye dai sa de no wo ye nipa fodo wo nya nipa papa wo nka nokore wo ya magana fo ye do hu jawo wo fans fo no wan pe e be kakra ka senche mo muntie esan se bebe hu se wo don sa benku nifa na edidi na aduano don sa benku nifa didi wie ya sa na afa de waso le gina no wo kansem Captain Smart na no wo FM ni so se wo tu onua TV ni so se wa ye adwuma Captain Smart obi a wo ye MPP ni yo ye de wo ye MPP ni eye bibia obedi enti no se da be gigina mu NDC wo NDC eno kro wo Captain Smart and sama wo catch John Mahama mere bi atwam eningwasia wo catch John Mahama na nya de ketwa what you say na John Mahama aye sa mansan nyina papa ntinu ono won fa asem nya asem se me Captain Smart adwuma me Captain Smart me kosua Porsche me NDC ni mba social media for good 5 years ni adwuma ma ye adwu party NDC starting from 2020 ninja social media obian wo ni me Porsche first ni social media dina Ghana for different yellow dina Mahama ba Porsche ansa me be you NDC Porsche obi wo Ghana happy o kanokura bia enye anibra ni nkontompo obeka che Ghana for no obeka che NDC for say ababa Porsche nkasa me NDC for mpa ifo mama akora yeduma nka entan Captain Smart enye nkwa no ye aduma ma party no anam NDC so be chindi nkoto ma de che de run to go Mr Captain Smart adan busa sa NDC ba ye mpanyimfo na be won kran wanpo anaba be wobunu region ha wanpo na busa sa Porsche adwuma ban no pe Captain Smart enyam nko na edurumire bia mudidi eye o enyam nko na edurumire bia mudidi eye 8 months ni kwanya John Mahama efa so buga na Captain Smart obi o ti Ghana ha bi o pe Ghana ye bi obehu se enne MPP for ni birin kraka se ne Ghana aba fam Ghana adwo o ko to ade ba bia price ni da sa na da Ghana near my buffem says a Captain Smart and young Quanimunin Cassa. Mudidi a yas and I feel more just social media Macassa, Nima Quadjima Betas and Momiamano. Captain Smart. And you was so because I don't remember Mahama, Mumway yet. A Yapanti MPP Baba a Barnesing. Ah? And this if 1.4 bit is a Captain Smart, Momunoye. Nswaba mu pepetesi kapudwa ma Captain Smart. Kosua Portia Brahma Petty. What ma yama NDC no. NDC ni panyin bi owo NDC bi anime. Mumusa se NDC for 1.4. Ghana for musa NDC for say. Baba ya adwuma kra ba tima man bi. Mumusa bro region an wo se panyin pena bu se Portia. Adwuma ben kra ne yama bi. NDC for 1.4. Se nipa free na kumam. Nipa free na kumam no som party ni kire party ni do a. Nipa ne soma party no ba power mumma party no nipa ne nyam som faso kakra wate wonya party ne som faso wate ene endis fo maburu bebra ye wo social media bebre di mpanyfo no ho ya bebre di party ne ho ya me kosi apoti ane me ka kire mo ye di party ne ho ya ye di mpanyfo nso mo ho ya because emre to me kosi apoti ma ye adwuma gina ma endis nden kra ne nipa dua pa for de mpanyfo no so wusani free so no ba baba fe ni yeti ho wusani free so no ba obeba ni yeti fe wo ye twen nipa somu nipa dodo adi kire ma munna odo adi ni bi nkire mo wate mamo nyasa this 1.4 mamo nyasa mo ya didija mo ya ma mo yire free mo ya ma mo yire free Captain Smart party ba Captain Smart di papa enso na esani Captain Smart abetra social media obwendi sifuachi John Mahama mamwe Ghana ni ben be kase papa ya mamwe obuni 8 months nie se ya no de be 2028 dia ne chese NDC ma power Captain Smart wo ye boni ayefo dodo wo ye nipa fo dodo sanye NDC 4.4 munchomo ni behwe yachi munchomo ni behwe mochi na ye ni ya de afwe mu usani friso oba ne yetife wo baba ne ye twonfen ya bre ya sompeti na sompanyfo no moma ye hum peti ne somfaso moma ye ya bre no soma ya somo no moma ye nya somfaso moma ye ni peti ne ho ya moma ye fampanyfo mo ho tane hihye ya dwene moma ye ntane mo o si ase munya sa ya sompeti no ye de ye kra ne ye ni padwa ya som ya firi akomam moma ye adwumanye ni dabi peti ne kura ni wa ya ka se peti ba pa we ye mpanyfo boaye na utena soro no wa hoaya ebeduru mrebu besana abafem wo besana abafem no wo ba beto wan wo fem because time a wo soro wo no wan bo an wo fem wa otena fem wa abetwen wo e masa edidija eni munanam NDC 4.4 utena soro wa mo bia wo fem a wan wo ba beto no wo fem wo sane soro wo no ba so fem wa no wo ba kan hu se time a ye wo opposition no NDC 4.4 muni femfuo na ya ni ye bonsam mo kwato aba ye campaign dwumadeni tina social media sansi fembe ye campaign party na papa mum ye nya so mfaso mum ye nya adwumanye ne ye bre NDC 4.4 ye bre mum mama buru mum ye adwumanye ya so party ni post ma so party na che ndem kra ni nipadua pa for de ma NDC mama ne nya se nti sa akra senka mu ya nti nkama awu nkwase awuo NDC 4.4 mo pese mo chese senka mu ya kama awu nkwase awuo because party ni ba ye no ma hu musuban enye mo nya sa mo ya ma ya kasa sa mo nwene ya hu mo mpe ya sem mo nwene ya wo party ni opposition mo ya no mo ne ya sere party ni ba power de mo ni ye biem na mo ntena soro wo tena soro wo besana ba fenwo baba ne ye tefenwo ye twene wa ubehu
It's been the yard, the papa. But Muslim what two way, apart from that dollar call from by 10 cities, they say 1044. What next? By 2027 May, let's again a mebunu, a man and mama, and near Jumaya, and this by way, it's been to us.
Yes, Hassan, you choke. Mudia mo ana mu visa di pa ya kwara okromu ana mu ne sasa mu na mu kromu na mo tire president e de ba Ghana o asa mo se da ese de bi na mo man nyene mo president da mu da ba se ye etime mu fo ye ntoma no na kanya sa president a wa ga se wa recommend ma ye se ye wo hu ni power ni mu na wa na we twa troto no so afesa na egodopo esimboka ne ye hu se ne pa woni mu ne ye di eti ni atoma na wo sa ni pa be ka che se ube tu na ube ana captain wo ye penny se bi aya munye penny die kakra ube ya bo akole bi tin che be ka se die ye je oka ana se ba ne sen se bi na obi na kra na wo ka mo ba wo ka sa ne bi ho nte president na wo otesu no na wo go for the time ube tin na no kwa ka aka asodes for asana asodes for every time se wo chira be ba wo captain wo chira and Mahama tan ko na aso de so beteki man na se cool na mo plan ya na ase de ana what bibi ana mo hu bibi munya isa na mo
atasa obi be ka so say 8 months no insha because John Mahama
insha na yesen 8 months obi be tena 8 years ye kan mo di mo si ye muai ye kan mo si ye nyai kan na odi free SHS aba and ye jai kan no be 8 months mo si yam kwan wo si me vuo yam kwan say 8 months no ye na ye hu toye ni ye na ye hu toye me bisa wo asu eduma ben ano be ye no ya ka no yes na ka no be ye o man be de me no to we say ase ye mari ase impenu fo na mo wo na say mo na mo tse mo man yo ase ye pro we ye tichire Captain, I don't know bisa o. Na etie o. Enchima fo bi tie o. Mame fo tie o. Papa fo tie o. Mane nko extend se obebenya wa nim kasetia because one, mo di kind Mahama na kasa na nim. President John Mahama, His Excellency. Mo di nima from previous years. And this time this time Mahama any bra brain so no. Yem bi say yeti asi yem ho kwa mo fa ni be fo mo ase what start o jandam no cool price ase what start in the nice way ase o bo jandam ne ba ase say the start fie kaka sa na fa be full MPP na ma banya one onipa ba ko no de say o kata tie fifa na ma banya head to head na ma bring NDC down na mo nya ho de be room fa o hwe NDC ma kan cho me bon me ma NDC Matthew Nkan, my quine. What is my quine? Wo, also name is new. But who the power Mahama, who go the hoofy, and I back at says, Sadia, then I found Van Joe. What's now reduce the situation now, Pacho? One battle, one battle, and no catch a say. Ye ain't you. Now I shall come Mahama, only me. Obedient to Mahama, obedient Quanin also. Mama ye lucky na ma hwe ya obekwa teten mi to yakopon yet me mufo ne bi mana ko teten ono obaka so nko ye be china tena kunya no so ye be chino e na tena kunya no so se ye wuto ya ono ka se ye wuto ye wuto ya captain enye wo na obaka se ye wuto ya na ye wuto yo because wo wonya ho wie amo chire wo bi da
This is a country that was run down into the ditch, deep down. It means when I hear people make those statements, I don't want to say either you don't understand governance or you are just trying to be diabolic or you just need attention. That's how I see it. Because say uni maybe ana Ghana jina unim the desperation na eda Ghana so unim yesika samsen na asay unim sibia na nyoma enkoye. We were all witnesses to the damage these people did. And to person which them say, sa damage ne kufu adu moye no 8 months we no damage ni nyina ira. Sa the backlog of nurses over about 50,000 or omuja omugu fie 70,000 na omuja omugu fie no. Mo person which them say 8 months no e was so nurse for nyina nya adwuma. Mo person which them say sa nkwasiade kufu adu muja ye e ka omuja to ho no. Just 8 months, I was a calling no. Met say TUC for say they are going on strike. Why? I was a bino your debt levels. The question here is the NDC government bar bemuno a casen of their account. Nothing. But a car can you use 8 months to solve those account? And we are talking about in Peniformo Yankwara, into Mumian Jay sa diabolic, basically childish kind of a argument, you know. Because those kind of arguments, you know, it will not change the course of the government. The government is delivering. The government is working. Me answer me criticize you, no. Me didn't can share what the person inherited. And whatever you inherited, if you have been able to correct or done even 50% of it, I don't have any room to criticize you. And I'm looking at this government, I'm looking back 8 months, baby and Ghana, this government has done about 90% of the job. So I'll be very unwise and stupid to sit here and tell Ghana for say, hey, 8 months ago, I didn't tell John Mahama and solve a Ghana problem. These people took over 8 years to destroy Ghana. And I'm not cutting a slack for the government. Saying abandoning ye bibia kamaka say okay, abandoning ye she. But the government, as we speak today, for about 2 years they are doing some more Ghana. And hardly do you hear say obi kase me like to doom. This government, no matter what, fango boya ding, they are still keeping the fuel price down. Say it is not where these people left it. The only way you can assess this government and say this government is doing poor is when you take the numbers the government before MPP Jan Wahono. If the numbers they left today, the NDC is not able to bring the numbers down, then you can tell me this government is performing poor in 8 months. Because the government were to $17 cities, not dollar no, and then I'm 11. You can't tell me this government is not performing. So I buy Weber to petrol 15.
Me do say na e David betimi aba. NDC will rise against Captain Kojo but yes yen kan wo ti ase agro na da kwa we ti show so horo akufo ado horo na bani age mo hu wi ase munya hu hwe. Try your mommy, comment section. I Penyah Block Media. Accra.